from Dongguan Metal Limited Company, where precision and durability are at the heart of what we do. Today, let's dive into our packing process that safeguards your components every step of the way. For certain metals, we take it a step further by applying a specialized anti-rust treatment to combat any potential oxidation during transit. We use materials like anti-static polybags, foam sheets, and for particular delicate or finished surfaces, custom design protections to prevent any scratches or dents. For our different product categories, we customize the protective materials simple yet effective. Polybags shelled plastic parts without surface finishes, while structured paper wraps cushion our larger or treated parts. When it comes to metal components, our procedure is equally robust with a combination of paper wrap and foam. Moving to outer packaging, our 3-layer foam ensures stability and shock absorption. Dirty cardboard boxes are the first line of defense, reinforced with corner protectors for heavier loads over 50 kilograms. For waiter or back orders, we provide wooden crates available in thickness designed to support and secure. For substantial shipments, we utilize pallets to maintain order stability and ease of handling, tailored to your specifications. That's all for today's video. If you have any new projects or need a reliable partner to deliver high-quality, processed packaged parts, contact us. See you in the next video. Goodbye.